Hello, this is Mark from Always So 123. Welcome to Fort Lauderdale. Very small video walk around for 2016 Chrysler minivan. You can purchase this minivan and start your family, or sometimes even restart your family. So we're not gonna go there. Now we're gonna look at this car first and see that it's actually very nice color. Also, the paint is also nice, and you can see the clear coat and everything. It's not faded away. And why? Because it's beautiful. We'll start with the windshield. You got nice windshield. I don't see any cracks in the windshield. It's Mopar original Chrysler windshield. You can see the stamp right there in the middle. You got a nice fender. You got a nice fender right here. Take a look. You got a beautiful tires. A lot of big tire spread right there. Tires are not bold. Okay, ready to go. I like this Chrysler grille. You got minor little scratches right here on bumper. Guys, don't kill the messenger. That's what we have. We don't have any other one. It's probably the only minivan we have. Now we're gonna look at this side. Also, tires are beautiful. Brake pads are at least 80%. Window works. This is lock unlock buttons. You got a that. Okay, so we got a glove box with some kind of what is this? I don't know what that is, but we're gonna leave it alone. What?
You can play cello with that.
Cello. Cello. You got a nice town country floor mat, and smells nice inside of the car. I don't smell like any animals, anything like smoking. So if you care about your kids smelling cigarettes, you're not gonna have it because it's a smoke-free minivan. All right. Now this door opens up. I'm guessing you have buttons for it. You got a nice rear captain seats. Okay, you got captain seats right there, and the more folding seats in the back. They are actually folded right now. All the floor mats are right here. We're gonna try to close it. It works. Wow, beautiful. You do have few rock chips or maybe like little scratches right here. Okay, I don't know if they come off. Maybe they're coming out. All right, the quarter panel also nice. Minor little like scratches that you might see like a dinks. You got beautiful tires here also on that side. Okay, and let's go on the bottom of the car quick. Look at that, bottom of the car. It's nice. It's nice. It's not rusted or anything like that. Nothing leaking out. Okay, so we'll go to the side. Now, let's go to the back of the vehicle. The back door. There's no dings, big any damages I see. You do have scratches here. It's common for the minivans because everybody lift the doors up. They hit the garage on the top, garage doors, and that's how you scratch it. You got the towing situation right here. Anything you want to tow, okay? And you do have a back seats that is folded. Now we're gonna try to unfold them. Okay, they actually power, man. This is so nice. Okay, so you got power seats that you can fold. Oh yeah, caramba! Take a look. Look at that, man. It's limited. Actually works. Okay, so it's limited minivan with bunch of room in it and power back seats. All right. So we're gonna close this. See if it works. Guys, it's working, which is actually make this car more expensive now. I'm kidding. All right, Now, guys, it's a limited one. You do have some minor scratches, like I said, on the rear door. Okay, you do have parking sensors. You got nice on the bottom. Take a look. The bottom are nice. Okay, so we'll come to this quarter panel. This is a quarter panel. This is a driver's side. Everything is okay. Here, I don't see any damages here, here, or here. You got nice tires. Also, the all tires are consistent. Few rock chips on this door. Some minor scratches right here. Please take a look. All right, guys, it's over 100,000 miles. This is the minivan that we have. It's gonna be nice, affordable price. Once again, it will have some little scratches. It's used. Don't forget about that. It's about 9 years old. We're in it's a 2016. We're in 2025. Is it 9 years old? Yes, it's 9 years old. Okay, so this is a nice seat on this side. You do have um some kind of TV, and actually it powers up. Take a look. I didn't know. I don't know how that operates. And look, that's actually working. Wow. And we're gonna shut it off, and we're not gonna touch it. Okay. So all the kids right now have iPads, so you don't need that TV. You don't have to waste your time. Okay. Looks like it does have memory seats. You have power windows. Let's see if these windows work. These windows work. What else here? Oh man, it has the driver power, and it has wooden steering wheel. Let me lower this air conditioner a little bit and the music. You have a sunroof. Mamma mia. Sunroof that works. Okay, the sunroof works. You do have a bunch of buttons here. You have a button to open the door. Let me see if it works. Oh, it's working. And you have another button to open another side. And I'm guessing you can lock these options so your kids don't open the doors for no reason or whatever it is. Guys, I don't know. You're gonna have to figure out. I'm gonna close this down. Okay. So you have a navigation here, original. You do have this is a button to raise up your pedals. Look, okay, you have that button, and your telescopic wheel probably is manual. Okay, all right. So also it has 95,588 with miles. Take a look, and you do have this little airbag light on for a code for some kind of seatbelt buckle or something. Once again, we're not gonna touch it. We're gonna present this car the way it is. It comes in, and we're gonna actually sell it to you the way it is. All the codes for this will be listed on the website. John, please later on put the codes in for what this light for. Okay, we're gonna be as honest as possible as we can. That's pretty much it. Let's go here, guys. Let's go here. How you open this? Alrighty then. Interstate barrier. Looks like a nice barrier. There's nothing else I can tell you. Everything is nice there. Look at it. Look at it. So dry. So dry. Engine sounds good. It's 3.6 liter. Engine sounds good. All the liquids are good. So it's ready to go. Okay, guys. It's gonna be a friendly disclosure as I usually do. This vehicle is sold as is. Taxes, fees, registration is not included in price. Now, if you need to ship the car, we can help you with the shipping. It's $1 to $1.50 a mile. This is my usual stuff that I say pretty much. All your documents could be done in 5 minutes. You don't have to wait 10 hours like in a new car store. 5 minutes, guys. Everything could be done remotely. You'll sign, your DocuSign, and you're good to go. Payments, wire transfers, cashier's check. We provide you with a FedEx label for free. Just do everything fast and you get your car fast. Now, if you have any questions about this minivan, if you need a minivan for your family, you want to start the family, you want to restart the family in some cases, we're not going to talk about that. Guys, call us 954-914-7722. God bless and thank you so much. Bye bye.